Yeah, he did it nicely. Now he wants to bury on the bit right. Oh, he's struggling a little bit differently. Yeah, but he's okay. He almost got it. Got it. Yeah. That's an absolute great. ഇപ്പോൾ നടന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത് ഇപ്പം നമ്മുടെ കോളേജിലുള്ള അഡ്മിഷന്റെ പേര് മിഥുനേഷ് എന്നാണ്. ഋഷികേഷ് എന്നാണ് വന്നത്. ഇപ്പം കണ്ട ചുമന്ന ഗേറ്റിന് ശേഷം താഴെയുള്ള അഞ്ചാമത്തെ ഗേറ്റ് ഇപ്പൊ പാസ് ചെയ്തല്ല, ഈ പാസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് അഞ്ചാമത്തെ ഗേറ്റിന്റെ ഇടത്തെ സൈഡിൽ കൂടെ വേണമായിരുന്നു പാസ് ചെയ്യാൻ. ഇപ്പം ഋഷികേഷ് അത് മിക്സ് ആക്കി റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിൽ കൂടെയാണ് പാസ് ചെയ്ത് പോകുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ഹലോ. He's approaching to the rapids now. The Georgia paddling so hard. Yeah. Now the babies are traveling there. Yeah. He did it nicely. Oh man, what a slide. Now he's squaring to the right gate. Almost reached to the one. Yes. Nice bro. Keep it up. Keep going. Now the pressure is there. Want to catch the green gate on the left side. So almost got it. Yeah. He got it nicely. Yes, he cleared it. Oh, he pushed towards the Geo to the main play.
Okay, Kerala. On the ramp, we have a very, very special competitor.
So the three jump around and he was approaching the gate of the one. He's a baller, he's a top baller, he's supposed to be, yeah, yes. Now wearing the board towards it, now we have to put it to the second gate, yeah, he does not leave there, so that was a car. Starting to the upper gate, yeah, he got it, yeah, he's smiling so hard. Yeah, he was the total and he's approaching the gate. And he got it, yes. Now he's like a total fan. Yes.
meters and in spectacular form, he managed to pick the first two right at the post. And they are off. It's a super clean start for bid number 84 and 95. The two boys from Karnataka in the lead. Bid number 85 close on their heels. Let's see the action at the gate. It looks like 85 has got them on the line. If he can manage to push them out on gate 3, it might change. The lead might change. Looks like 84 from Karnataka is now taken over the lead at gate number 3. Bid number 85